Hello YouTube and welcome to a survival let's play world with me and Semx. And yeah, as you can see, we're going to be playing mostly with like this mod
Diamonds.
pack. Yeah, it's like based around computercraft, with like a few mods to just like help us along the way, like
Yeah.
not enough items, and then like inventory tweaks and a
Yeah.
few others. But
No,
yeah,
like the main mods are it's just the main mod is computercraft because we only have like tools but not mods. The only really mod that adds something new like blocks to the game is computercraft. The rest is just tweaks.
yeah, exactly. It's just client side.
Yeah.
Um, so yeah, this is the newest update, is it? Or
Yeah. It's
so
like
it's got
1.7
yeah,
1.57
so it's got the advanced turtles.
turtles.
So yeah, it's gonna be epic with them. And we've already like done a lot of like stuff. We've just like mined and like gotten a lot of cobblestone and like a lot of stuff pretty much. But um, yeah, I suppose I just thought why not just record it and from here on in, because like it's not really fun watching all the like boring bits with like starting off um,
Yeah.
and whatever. But I suppose we could like show off some of the
Programs
programs that we have in our
created.
computers, as the turtles.
Yeah, sure.
Um,
You can start off with yours.
all right. So
Also,
first of
everybody.
all,
Oh,
what?
yeah. One
Uh,
second. Like
um,
everybody, remember that if any shows you the screen of the turtle, I can also look with him.
yeah.
So, like, we both see what he's doing. Like, turtle screens can be shared to players, and yeah, now
Yeah.
it's your turn.
Okay. Well, this is a little program that I just like modified from Semx showing me something, and
Yeah.
yeah, as it literally just mines like a staircase downwards. um, and if you want to like just take a look, it's
See the
not
code.
very advanced. It's literally just at. So yeah.
But I will just for the heck of it, just explain what's it all. So now I'm controlling the keys.
Oh yeah.
So for the more advanced viewers, like first it will call in a local argument,
Mhm.
and these brackets with the dots in it mean like the number or thing that's typed behind the program when you launch it. And then those arguments, as you can see right here, will be converted to a number to just make the program sure that it's a number and not it's like a word or something or symbols.
Yeah.
And then it will put that number in distance. And then it will like this is a for loop, and it will make the turtle do these 5 commands. So turtle forward, turtle dig, dig down, down, dig. Do that 1, 2 dot 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 times. So this. So for example, he just typed in, if I just look it up, downstairs 5.
Mhm.
So what will happen? It will run this line, these 5 lines of code 5 times, and by putting them all in the correct order, you get a downstairs, and that's it.
Mhm.
Yeah. So
Yeah. And then literally I've got another one. It's just a upwards version of it. Um, so if we just let that run, it will just make a V. I did it 10 times, but I don't
oh,
think I need it that much times.
okay, and then hello, Mr. Turtle.
Yeah.
Should I
So
terminate
it's
it?
epic. Um,
Um,
so yeah, I literally just replaced where it's downwards, where downward was, and like
yeah,
with up. So so, so for dig up, it was dig down, and then turtle dot up, it was dig down, I mean, turtle dot
Turtle
down.
dot down. Yeah.
Oh,
So
and the
it's
other
just
one.
like up and up is down and down is up, and
Yeah.
that's just
uh,
like the line of code.
yeah. So then I just exit and then uh, check fuel is what. Do you want to show that or should
Yeah,
I?
sure.
Uh,
Just it's a program.
Alright.
I
Do
will
you want?
show it on my turtle. Just
Alright.
where the heck is my turtle? Oh, there's my turtle. Just follow me and look at the screen. It's something I wrote like 20 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Just edit check fuel. Or first I will just show you what it does. So
Can you get some
if you just
coal?
look,
I just got some
if you
coal for
just
demonstration.
look in, are you in the turtle?
Mhm.
Okay. So it checks for the amount of fuel in the turtle. So if I put some fuel in it, it is 9.
Yeah.
Then I do check fuel, and it, as you can see, it selects the slots and it will check for all the fuel, and it says you have 9 fuel items in your inventory.
Yeah.
And it also works with like 0. Then it just runs a. That's mean. That's a cheat. Yeah, and also I did something to make my grammar go well. So if I like do 1, you won't say you have 1 fuel items in your inventory. So that it will say you have 1 fuel item,
Alright.
just
Yeah.
for the heck
Epic.
of it. And
Uh,
also it, yeah, well,
Oh, that's pretty cool that it can ID some fuel.
yeah, I was looking through the change log of an update, and I found this function. So for the more, I mean, check fuel. So it will just call into variables called n and fuel, and n is called 1, or gets the number 1 assigned, and fuel 0. Then it will first it will call in a new function, and the function is fuel count, and that function takes the current fuel count, and like at the beginning that is 0, as you can see up there, and it will reassign the number for it that it, and so it will be the wait the new
Yeah.
fuel count will be the old fuel count plus the count of items in a slot. And if you can see, if I just put Kobo in, or any did, he didn't do like counted that as fuel, because it's not like a get fuel count.
Yeah.
So how that works is this function, and that's what I discovered like today, and that is called turtle.refuel. Normally it will just refuel, but if you do 0, it will just return true or false depending on the slot that is selected has fuel in it, and that's like read straight from the wiki.
Oh,
So
that's so cool.
it's like turtle the yeah
That is just for all the
fuel.
other parts of it. There
Yeah.
it is.
So it's pretty simple for me, and also it's pretty small. So it will just scan, as you can see, from 1 to 16, and those are 16 slots, and those slots will be selected. Like n was 1 at the beginning, so it will select slot 1. Then it will check if the item in the selected slot is fuel. If not, it will reassign like the new n is the old n plus 1, so it like next time this runs, like it runs 16 times, goes to the next slot. And if it is fuel, it will run the fuel count, and that will get the item count, and then at the end it will just select slot 1, do 0, like if you want to update it all the time, it's just a safety, and then it will print if the fuel count is this is for the grammar thingy. If the fuel is bigger than 1, or the fuel is less than 1, so it's 0 because it can't go negative. It prints you have fuel, so that's the string. Like
Mhm.
it says how much fuel items in your inventory.
Mhm.
Inventory. Otherwise, like if it's 1, it says you have 1 fuel item in your inventory. That's just something not needed, but
Yeah.
just for the heck of it.
I know a way you could like do that a bit smaller, like well, just an easier way of understanding it. You could have done
Oh,
like
brackets.
you know, if fuel equals 1, then you could like just switch them around.
Yeah, but I have had some several problems with using the is instead of those bigger than or less than. So I don't want to make any conflicts, and this way I can use an else, and that's just the way how I did it. It can be
Mm.
different, so
All right, cool.
cool. So that's it.
Mhm.
Um, I don't want to spend too much time on my programs. I'm not gonna show off my strip mine program like the code.
Yeah.
That's like sometimes I even drown in it. So,
All right. Yeah. I'm gonna just
um,
chop down a tree.
oh yeah, with your file program, you can
Yeah.
show it off to
I'm gonna dodge this spider.
spider.
Okay.
Helix skeleton.
Ow.
La side
Is it
attack.
for
Okay.
at PvP or
No PvP
PvE?
is off.
PvE.
PvE. Yeah. I
Um,
should clean my inventory 1 second. It's like stuffed.
Alright, so we'll start from here. Then I'll type in tree. Then it will go up.
Mine the tree.
Mhm. Oh, what? It probably didn't register the vines, but whatever. It literally just detects the if there's a block in front above it, and then if it does, if there is a block in front or above.